For our fourth grade team, we got together as a group and took a look at our benchmark test from last year and identified 2 or 3 standards where we found that all of our classes, we had students that were not scoring well in that area. And so we put our heads together and got on EDAMS and created some pre-tests that focused just on those standards.
For example, what we created for the math was a pre-test, and the pre-test went over just the lessons that we have done so far. So we went over subtraction, we went over multi-step problems for multiplication for word problems, and one of the things that we did today was my students went ahead and took the assessment on EDAMS, and afterwards we pulled the test up on the screen, whole group. The students used their whiteboards and we went through the test question by question, so that way we could make sure where the students were making their errors. Was the error the fact they didn't understand the skill, or they maybe needed help and support with multiplication facts, or maybe simply they did not understand how the question was being asked. And so it was really important that my students understood exactly what the question was asking them to do, and that will help them later on with the benchmarks and eventually on the SBAC test.